Good morning and welcome to the Stock Planner channel. Just doing a little pre-market planning. Very little today because it's Friday and I'm not going to do a lot of trading. And I did not receive a lot of signals from my program that gives me the RSI, MACD signals each day. And that's because the market has been down and mixed, and I will not receive a signal for another day or two as the market settles in. Let's see what the market has in store for us today. Yesterday, the indexes ended up positive, but they were down a lot for a lot of the day. It was definitely a mixed day. The big boys still having troubles. Facebook, Amazon, Microsoft, Apple seems to turn around a little bit. Most of the groups were green, except for technology and communications. Energy was red as well. I think it's going to change a little bit today. I like reading the summary on investing.com. Gives you 5 points of what the news might be, and it could be Biden gave a press conference yesterday. I felt it was very uninformative and weak, but he did say some information about the vaccination, and he is going to try to get 200 million people vaccinated by the first 100 days. There's some reports today of personal spending and personal income that comes out at 8:30 Eastern Time. Keep an eye out for it in just a few minutes. Generally, according to this article, they expect to have the stocks open up positive today, and keep an eye out on the banks. And I believe the oil will rebound. I guess the ship's still in there. The Nasdaq for the last hour has been trending down, currently in the negative area. The rut for the last few hours has been pretty much stable, so that could mean anything. It's positive territory, so is the Dow. If you're optimistic, we should see that uptrend continue. And the S&P 500 looks much like the Nasdaq. Ooh, sorry about that. Like the rut. So I don't know. S&P 500, if you look at the RSI, it's below its 30. That's normally a sign that it will pop soon. This failed here, so you don't know. Let's go to a higher time frame. Zigzag, undecisive. 2 bars up means it's probably going to reverse. Again, the RSI looks like it's ready to pop. Here, that would have been a good reading. And here's you don't know, but this is a bad reading. It never hit below, and it went up. MACD said it was going to go up, and the MACD said it's going down. So the MACD might be a predictor here. You have to wait for the MACD. It could occur with an upward bar today. So, a lot of people will probably wait till Monday or Tuesday to get in. Each night I run a report against my database of about 280 stocks, 240 stocks that I know and love, and get my MACDs, RSIs, and zigzag type indicators. And based on the last 2 days and yesterday, there hasn't been much change. Not much action. So if I want some action, I need to find it somewhere else. My program in OmniBroker is not telling me that anything. Going into Tradingview and looking at my same list of stocks that I know and love, those are you can sort and see which ones did good yesterday. I have them flagged, and then I can use that flag in my screener. Set the flag here. This morning, because there's not a lot of things going on, I want to look at pre-market volume, so I bumped this up just a little bit and see what we got. You can change this here. I just bumped it up just a little bit to see what's moving in the market in the morning against my 200 and some odd stocks over here, and I get 10 matches. And they're saying that in pre-market the volume has increased and it's slightly down. Pre-market BABA, pre-market over here is down. Must have been some news out there for BABA. Telsa, there was some news out for the chip shortage. Bank of America is positive. That's interesting. The financials might be doing very good today. And this is pre-market upside. The oil stocks, and that was investing.com said the same thing. Oil stocks might do good too. Internet stocks down. There's NEO, which I have a position in, and it's down 7% at the pre-market. Not good sign for me, because I have a long position in it, but only a few shares. It's a small position, I think less than $1,200. total. So I can afford to keep that for a while. But it's a losing trade. Carnival. I don't understand Carnival. Why it would even be going up, and now it's. I just don't understand why anybody would even think it would go up. I would think it'd be not doing nothing but going down. It's got me several times because I shorted it and it went up. Nope. So the oil sector and the financial sector is of interest. Going over to my filters and turning the pre-market volume oil, resetting it, selecting oil and gas production. The stocks on my list are Marathon, Valero, Fang, and Diamondback. Magellan. Okay, let's just take a look. Oil, I don't know, that looks good. Marathon looks good for today. Valero looks good, like it's ready to pop. Remember now, you're really not supposed to take a trade until this switches, and you wait 2 days. But I'm anxious. I'm an anxious guy today. I need a trade. At least something. Looks like it's ready to pop. Looks like all three of these are ready to pop. Now, let's see if we can find something in the financial. This time I'm going into the sector, and I'm going to select finance. You could have done it same with the energy over before. It depends. It's just a preference in the morning. You know, I want to do one. I do both. Health services maybe tomorrow, if it looks like it's trending. So what I've done was I filtered out my watch list of 220 stocks or so. You got 22 matches. J.P. Morgan. Let's just quickly look down through it. Pre-market up, slightly up. Visa, Bank of America, Morgan Stanley, Goldman Sachs. All these look good for this morning. American Tower, I'm not sure why that's in there. PNC, down. Bam. Well, I only need a few, and I like JP Morgan and Bank of America. So based on my rudimentary analysis, the oil sector and the financial sector look good this morning. Valero, BP, Bank of America, J.P. Morgan, all look like potentials to keep an eye out. And so that's how I'm gonna be watching today, closing out some trades. I do have some losers in my portfolio, so I need to be watching those. And this is going to be a closeout day today for me. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hope it helps to see how to use TradingView and a list of stocks that you know and love, and then filter out on those stocks each day based on different criteria that you might select. But you need to have that stock list that you know, because you just can't go ahead. There's 8,000 stocks out there. You just can't. You'll get all kinds of stocks that don't trade well, that have no volume. You need to have on your list stocks that other people are trading, have good volume, have a track record, that analysts are following. Once you have that list, then you can filter out each morning, because most people, you don't have a whole lot of money. You have to choose one or two. You have to do that by filtering and making cuts. I do it two ways. I use TradingView and I use OmniBroker. OmniBroker today, based on my algorithm that I wrote, is not giving me anything. And that algorithm is iron-fisted type class. I'm a little more looser in TradingView. That's why I went to TradingView this morning to find the trades that I might want to trade and watch. So I hope this helps. Please like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe. I'll catch you on the flip.